back here on Tom's Javelin. So getting proper fitment with the wheel bearings, here's an interesting thing because we have pacer spindle studs, and of course there's two different types of bearing, and the studs that we have are for the Bendix style brake setup, so they use the fatter bearing. So these are the races that were in the hub from Wellwood. This is the outer, and then this is the one for the correct bearing. Note, same taper, but different depth of taper. So, ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding. We're gonna see if this rings true for the rear or the inner as well. So again, for the inner bearing, this is the race that came in the hub. This is the correct bearing for our pacer spindle. But that don't fly, boys and girls. No, no, no. But that does. Look, same outside diameter. So we're gonna put these races in and go from there.